Fred continues to work its way inland. In the meantime, our meteorologist Reynolds Wolf is watching Fred's approach from Panama City Beach, and you've been getting pelted pretty good with the rainfall there. You're under that flash flood warning, Reynolds. Are you seeing any high water at all?
Just a little bit of ponding on the roadways behind me, but that's really about it, Jackie. The big concern, as you know very well, any low-lying areas, that water and gravity are going to work in tandem, and that water's going to begin to pile up, and it could get dangerous, to say the very least. So, folks, please be careful. Also, with approaching darkness, not the time to get out in the bat and try to survey the landscape and see the damage. What you want to do is you want to wait until morning comes, when the winds die down and the rain, and then, Jackie, I fear we're going to hear a different sound, the sound of chainsaws of people moving some of the tree damage that we do anticipate could happen in the area, and power outages. By the way, on our drive here from over in, gosh, where were we earlier today? We're over in Orange Beach, Alabama, and we made the drive over countless trucks on the interstate, power trucks, to go out and do exactly that, restore power to people who lose it, and we do think that's going to happen. Let's talk more about the power of the storm. Again, 65 mile per hour winds. It's bringing that slug of moisture on shore. We are feeling it right here up close and personal, and we do have the tropical storm warnings that are in effect not only for the water's edge, but notice well inland, including parts of southern Alabama, even into Georgia. Tri-state area where we're going to have the wind, the rain, and as Jackie mentioned, rightfully so, the chance of some tornadic activity. So we have these bands that continue to march on shore, and sure enough, it's also going to be that wind that's going to cause that water to pile up. Any body of water in this part of the state, hey kids, any body of water, Chris, it could be a creek, could be an estuary, could be a bayou, anything's going to be compromised by the rising water, and again, the push of the water coming on shore. Let's get back to you, Chris.
All right, thank you, Reynolds. Stay safe out there, my friend. I'll take a look right now at the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, the island nation, expecting more downpours from Tropical Depression Grace. Along with the threat for some flash flooding, there's also the possibility for mudslides. This just a few days after Fred came through. So that's right, after Fred, there are some other things we're going to watch, primarily right here. Tropical Depression Grace, which is bringing some pretty heavy rain now to the Dominican Republic and Haiti there on the island of Hispaniola. Tropical storm watches in yellow, tropical storm warnings in red, as the storm is expected to split between Cuba and Jamaica on its way toward the Grand Caymans, but moving through there, if this forecast holds and remains the same, moving through there as a tropical storm. And this area right here, if it does remain, say misses the Yucatan, this is all favorable for development in terms of the water temperature. So staying a tropical storm in the forecast for now, but we'll see how that may change. Also, here's TB8 south and east of Bermuda, and making a little bit of a loop back around, and it looks like it'll be doing a U-turn here as well. Also staying as a tropical storm. That is the forecast. But a couple of tropical depressions right now. And of course, there's Fred, which has made landfall now. We're tracking what it is doing right now and what it will be doing in the future, several states north. Stay with us as we're tracking Fred here on the Weather Channel.